Let me tell you something. About a month ago, I thinned my eyebrows and regretted it. So I started looking for recipes to make her grow faster. Today I'm going to share with you a homemade recipe, which did a real miracle on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are super full and flawless. This recipe is top, you'll see. Before teaching her, tell me below the city where you are watching us from, okay? And for our recipe, the main ingredient is red onion. It's no secret that onions are considered a true nutrient powerhouse. Due to its medicinal properties, onion regenerates hair follicles, reducing hair loss and stimulating new hair growth. Let's start by peeling the onion. Onion stimulates blood circulation and accelerates hair growth. Now, cut the onion into smaller pieces, like this. Did you know that onion helps prevent premature graying of hair, softening white wires? The regular application of onion to thicken the strands, improving their volume. Let's put the onion pieces in a blender or food processor. Beat well until obtaining a homogeneous mixture. In addition to onion being effective in thickening eyebrows, it also helps to improve dandruff and itchy scalp. With the help of a sieve, we will strain the onion juice. Let's add 10 drops of castor oil to the mixture. This recipe is amazing to leave your eyebrows full and flawless. And she's ready. Using a cotton swab, apply the mixture all over your brow. Then, apply this mascara brush, pulling the mixture to all the strands, like this. Let it act for 30 minutes. Then just wash the area well. My eyebrows turned out amazing with this recipe. I've been using it for a while. It was very helpful for me and I'm sure it will be for you too. If you liked it and will do it at your house, tell me in the comments. Thank you so much to everyone who watched until the end. May God bless you and your family. Big kiss and until the next video. Goodbye.